Hi guys, welcome to my reviewing series again. So I know I'm a little late yet again, but I was busy, no? अभी फ्री हुई हूँ तो कर रही हूँ. Also you see मेरे को यहाँ पे एक दो तीन तीन छोटे छोटे pimples हो गए हैं, which will go in like 3-4 days, 2-3 days. I was actually a little sick, तो उस चक्कर में ये हो गया. मैंने अपनी डाइट वाइट का बिल्कुल ख्याल नहीं रखा था. So this is the result of that. Anyways, coming back to the episodes. So Gullu and Kyra have just started performing. Unka performance khatam hua. And two things. Number one, I think Kyra was amazing. It was so much fun to watch her. It was really entertaining. She's very hot. एंड गुल्लू के तो मज़े ही मज़े हो रहे होंगे. हाफ द टाइम तो वो मुझे ऐसा लॉस्ट लग रहा था कि बस मैं भूल ना जाऊँ, मैं इसको गिरा ना दूँ. द रेस्ट हाफ ही लुक लाइक ही इज़ लिविंग हिज वेट ड्रीम. लाइक लिटरली वो उस चेयर पे बैठा हुआ है और कायरा करके ऐसे ऐसे कर रही है, ऐसे ऐसे कर रही है उसके ऊपर. दैट इज़ हिज ड्रीम. I think he had a lot of fun and that was pretty evident, and that's pretty awesome too because like I enjoyed watching their performance. I think it was too much fun. It was not obviously very dancey because Gullu doesn't dance, but I think he was very fun to watch and Kyra was very hot to watch. And Vishu performed, and I must say I am so happy with Vishu. I'm kinda impressed with Vishu क्योंकि जहाँ कोई लड़का परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा है, इट्स ओनली द गर्ल्स जो ऐसा सबको खींचे जा रही है, एंड इट्स ओनली द गर्ल्स who are performing in every single couple. Finally, I see a boy who is not afraid of being on stage, you know. So I finally see a guy who's out there, who's having fun, who has confidence, who's owning up the stage. It was so much fun to watch to watch Vishu. It was so much fun to watch Vishu. And Suzanne was not bad either. Of course, she's not a great performer or whatever. But with Vishu, I think it was pretty fun to look at. Having said that, I think Vishu did amazing. It was fun watching him. Paresh and Zalak ka performance was also pretty decent. Like, it was not bad, it was not good. They were having fun on the stage and all that. But I felt like बहुत जल्दी ही खत्म हो गया. Like, for an episode जो 2 episodes में बटा हुआ है and it's stretched over for hours, बहुत जल्दी परफॉर्मेंस खत्म हो गया इनका. आई थिंक अगर थोड़ा सा हम कॉमेंट्री कम सुनते या इन बिटवीन कम होता और मुझे डांस देखने को मिलता. दिस पिंपल इज बॉदरिंग मी अ लॉट. इट्स फक इट. या बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गया. सो गाइस, ये ज़्यादा हाईलाइट इसलिए हो रहा है बिकॉज यू कैन सी माई स्किन फील्स अ लिटिल ऑयली राइट नाउ, बट इट्स नॉट ऑयली. इट्स जस्ट दैट आई हैव डन माई नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर. तो मैंने अपने फेस पे बहुत सारा अभी सीरम वगैरह लगा कर उसको लेयर किया है. सो दैट इज़ वाई ये भी और पॉप आउट हो रहा है. भी अनुष्का एंड मोहित ने परफॉर्म किया. अगेन बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गया, बट फक दैट. द वे देयर परफॉर्मेंस स्टार्टेड वॉज अगेन सो हॉट. आई लव्ड इट. आई लव द वे उसने मोहित को उठाया इस तरह से, एंड he was basically a prop only, just like every other guy in the performance with every other girl. But I think after Sandy and Diptanshu की उनका तो खैर they set a whole different bar. अगर उनके बाद मुझे किसी का performance बहुत पसंद आया तो I think it has to be Mohit and Anushka. I think fun, genuine fun. मज़ा आ गया देख करके. The starting was too good. योगेश, रूरू and आकांक्षा का performance just खत्म हुआ है, and I have to say this. Yogesh and Akansha ka performance was very meh. बहुत ही ढीला. Like I didn't feel anything in it. It just looked like they did it for the sake of doing it. But Yogesh and Ruru ka performance was much more hot and steamier and more engaging. I think they were also both engaged in their performance than Ruru and Akansha. So it was definitely fun to watch Yogesh and Ruru's performance over Yogesh and Akansha's performance because they had so much more steam, you know, so much more chemistry. Now, the part that you all were waiting for happened. See, अगर हम इसको रूरू की तरफ से देखें तो it's wonderful what Yogesh has done for her कि like on the stage जाकर के he's declared for somebody that I love this girl and I've not loved anybody the way I've loved it. That's very, very sweet. You will all want to be in Ruru's position that way, that you would want that your partner do it for you. But at the same time, how sad and heartbreaking it must have been for Akansha, because the way Yogesh just chose to deal with this was so immature and just not right. Because he literally kept Akansha in the dark. अगर तुमने अपना मन बना लिया था, अगर तुमने मन बना लिया है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्या, अगर मान लो तुमने मन बना लिया है कि मुझे रूरू को चूज़ करना है, आकांक्षा को नहीं, देन एटलीस्ट टेल हर. You could have, you know, you could have at least told her, right? You could have at least told her. तुमने स्टेज पे जहाँ ये लड़की खुद इंतज़ार में है कि मुझे पता चले कि बात क्या है, बात क्या है, बात क्या है, तुमने स्टेज पे जा कर के इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरीबडी यू चोज टू ह्यूमिलिएट हर. मे बी यू did not choose to humiliate her, but that is what it is looking like in the episode, that instead of telling her in person what you guys have decided and then telling people that I have told her this, I have decided this, you decided to string her along, and then on the stage after the performance, when the emotions are already high, then in front of guests, in front of your contestants, everybody, you decide to tell her on the spot, I love Ruru. What you have done is not wrong, perhaps, but the way you've done is, no, you could have handled it better. Akansha must be feeling so defeated in the moment कि सबके सामने, एक तो she was waiting for that answer. She finally got her much awaited answer, and she got it like this. She got it like this. She got it in front of everybody on the stage, without even having a proper conversation, without an apology in person. जस्ट अ डिक्लेरेशन ऑन स्टेज कि आई नो मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ, बट अब जो है सो है, मुझे ये पसंद है, नाउ यू ऑल डील विद इट. शी डिजर्व्ड बेटर. आफ्टर प्रिंस सेड कि तुमको ध्यान रखना होगा जब तक तुम विला में उसको कोई दिक्कत नहीं हो, तो योगेश कह रहा है कि मैंने आज सुबह में ही सौरभ, हिमांशु, दिप्तांशु को कहा था कि जब तक मैं विला में हूँ मैं किसी को उस पर आवाज़ उठाने नहीं दूंगा. श्योर, सिवाय मेरे और मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड के, बाय द वे, क्योंकि आई थिंक अभी ही टीज़र आया ना अगले एपिसोड का, जहाँ ये और इसकी गर्लफ्रेंड इस पर आवाज़ उठा रहे हैं. सो बेसिकली कोई इस पे आवाज़ नहीं उठाएगा सिवाय मेरे. दैट्स गुड. All the declaration of love, Akansha has said that I know that he's being very honest in this moment, and it is what it is, and I just shouldn't have opened up with him and XYZ. Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, he made his decision. You have to deal with it. She is being way too understanding, way too sweet, because literally उसको आए हुए 2 दिन नहीं हुए हैं अभी. This is the first time you are hearing of it, that to like, but ठीक है, that's also good, only that she's chose to maintain her grace and not get involved in the pig fighting. Like if you throw mud at somebody, तुम पे भी छींटे आएंगे ही. The splashes are bound to get on you as well. So very nicely she conducted herself. Having said that, what did Sunny ma'am say? That I believe he's sorry, and even Akansha said that I believe he's sorry, and Yogesh is saying that I'm gonna be regretting this moment for a very very long time, but it is what it is. Up to I have done what I have done, and this is where my heart lies. ठीक है, if that is where your heart lies, go ahead. भाई, my Instagram notifications are off the charts जब से promo आया है, I think मेरा. So anyways, if this is what you've chosen, ठीक है, but then again, you guys could have handled it. They haven't handled it yet. We saw the promo, right? Things like this, just you can't just sweep it under the rug and pretend like everything's fine. Things have only just started between them, because Akansha is bound to feel very very bad, and right now she hasn't really processed everything that has happened. So she's giving those answers. Give her a day or two to actually process and come to terms with what's happening and see it happening live in front of the eyes. Then I think a lot more emotions will start coming up. But as of now, you've seen the episode. Good for Yogesh and Ruru that they've patched up after their month and a half breakup and they're back together. That's amazing. Good for them. You know, shit is serious when even Gullu looks serious and kinda like, chod kya kar diya. You know, shit is serious when even Gullu looks serious. And look at his expressions right now. He genuinely is looking with that thought in his head ki, kya kar diya, bro. Yeah, Gulu's a nice guy. He's a nice guy. Yeah, genuinely, he's a nice guy. A lot of you all have, like when I have criticized him in some of my reviews, you all have asked me, but he's your friend. Is he still your friend? How is he your friend? XYZ. So to that, just randomly मेरे मन में आया था, I'll just like to say it right now. I never criticize people in these episodic reviews. I criticize their actions. तो अगर गुल्लू ने भी कुछ एक्शन किया है तो मैंने उसको क्रिटिसाइज किया है इन दी एपिसोड, बट to me, as a friend, as a person, he's always been very nice, very respectful. He understands the difference between cracking jokes, giving criticism, and downright going below the belt and attacking and hating somebody. He understands the difference, and there's a basic respect that you need to give people in order to keep them in your life or in order to grow or whatever. Gullu gives that basic respect to me. Like, I mean, that's the reason I'm friends with him. No, otherwise I would never be. तो like, जब हमने बात भी करी थी, he's always like, चल देख मैं बकचोदी तो करता हूँ तेरे साथ, पर मैं तेरी बहुत इज्जत करता हूँ. And that's an understood thing. Like, obviously बहुत बकचोदी हम भी करते हैं, but तमीज़दार है वो आदमी. एट सर्टन आई मीन उसमें बहुत कमियां हैं, मैं उस पर नहीं जाऊंगी, बट कुछ कुछ चीज़ों पे वेर क्रेडिट इज ड्यू, यू हैव टू गिव इट. एंड यू कैन सी इट, आई थिंक राइट नाउ ऑन हिज फेस, ऑन हिज बाय हिज एक्सप्रेशंस, ही लुक्स सीरियस बिकॉज ही इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग द ग्रेविटास ऑफ द सिचुएशन. उसको समझ में आ रहा है कि योगेश ने क्या किया अभी, क्या कर दिया अभी, आकांक्षा को कैसे, और मे बी आई एम ओवर एनालाइजिंग, बट आई थिंक कि उसको सिचुएशन की ग्रेविटास समझ आ रही है. विनर्स आर दीप्तांशु सैंडी, Yogesh, Ruru, Kaira, Yogesh, Ruru, Akansha, Gullu and Kaira. Diptanshu and Sandy 100% agreed. Yes, without a doubt, they are there. I am a little surprised that Anushka and Mohit are not there, because I was expecting कि वो भी होंगे, because they also did very very well, and third could be either one of the two, but okay, ठीक है. I was expecting them to be in the top 3 as well. So Mohit is looking hideous in this VD because of whatever he's wearing. I think I saw a meme on Instagram today that he looks like that random Fufa in the wedding film. And I agree, like, what the fuck are you wearing with that Bundy and shirt and pant and that hairstyle? No, one of the worst looks of his for sure. That's it, guys. वैसे आज का एपिसोड टू बी ऑनेस्ट बहुत ही अंडरवेलमिंग था. लाइक आई जेन्युइनली फाउंड द एपिसोड वे टू अंडरवेलमिंग, एंड आई टेल यू हाउ आई पर्सनली हैव वॉच्ड द एपिसोड 2x की स्पीड में. उस पर भी स्किप करके आई हैव वॉच्ड द एपिसोड. इट वॉज जस्ट वेरी अंडरवेलमिंग. आई एम वेरी वेरी शॉक्ड कि, एज आई मैंशनड ऑलरेडी, कि हाँ सॉरी, आई एम वेरी वेरी शॉक्ड टू सी कि सैंडी एंड दीप्तांशु के साथ Anushka and Mohit were not there. I think their performance was really nice. I was expecting them to be there as well. But ठीक है, never mind. Kaira performed very very well. Gullu was a great accessory to it. Yogesh and Ruru की chemistry was definitely sizzling. And anyways, episode खत्म हुआ. Next week का teaser आया है. And can we just focus on this very very hot person that just made an entry? Like, there's a guest coming next week. I don't know who that diva is, but oh my god, wasn't she looking ethereal in black? Like the angel of death. She was the angel of death. She was pretty much like that only. She was ethereal. She looked stunning. Her expressions were on point. She was just, I loved that girl. I don't know who she is. Of course it's me. Of course I know. Anyways guys, मैं कह नहीं रही थी बहुत टाइम से कि अभी तो बहुत सारे गेस्ट आने वाले हैं, बहुत सारे गेस्ट आने वाले हैं. मेरे बाद अभी एक और गेस्ट आएगा. तुम लोग जानते ही हो कौन गेस्ट आएगा, बट एनीवेज मेरे बाद अभी एक और भी गेस्ट आएगा, बट अभी फ़िलहाल अब कम. एंड इसकी मैंने बताया था ना कि जिस दिन एंटरटेनमेंट टास्क हुआ था उस दिन ही मैंने BYOG को शूट किया था. सनी मैम ने सेम आउटफिट पहना हुआ है, तो उस दिन ये टास्क शुरू होने. दिस टास्क बाय द वे स्टार्टेड एट 4 in the morning, 4 AM in the morning बाय द वे दिस स्टार्टेड. तो हम उधर ही बैठे हुए थे. हम उसके पहले अपना BYOG शूट कर रहे थे, फिर मैं प्रोडक्शन के साथ बैक स्टेज बैठी हुई थी, एंड आई वॉज वॉचिंग एंड हियरिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस हैपन लाइव. भाई इतना इरिटेट हो रही थी मैं, एक पॉइंट के बाद इतना इरिटेट हो रही थी कि भाई स्टॉप इट. सॉरी, इट वॉज फन. एंड इतने टाइम तक मैंने ये बात बचा के रखी थी ना अपने अंदर कि मैं गई हूँ, मैं ऐसे जस्ट गई हूँ, मैंने बताया नहीं किसी को. बट इट वॉज सच अ स्पेशल फीलिंग कि जिस प्लेटफॉर्म से मैंने अपने करियर की शुरुआत करी है, अलॉन्ग विद 30+ अदर पीपल के साथ, जिस प्लेटफॉर्म से मैंने अपने करियर की शुरुआत की है, आज 2 साल बाद मैं उसी शो पे, 2 साल क्या, 1 सीज़न टेक्निकली, अगले सीज़न में मैं उसी शो में एज अ गेस्ट आ रही हूँ. And I see a lot of familiar faces and people that I have, seen outside or known outside, whatever. and it was such a special feeling that they're all sitting there as contestants and I've gone there as a guest, and I'm like, hi Splits villains. Kya cool laga mujhe. I went in, you know, the person who I think was the happiest to see me was Gullu. I could see the happiness. He was genuinely the happiest to see me, and that is why I say ना he's a good friend. मैं गई, वो ऐसे बैठा हुआ था, वो ऐसे उठ के बैठ गया and he started clapping. I was very happy to see him, and yeah, I went in and I'm like, hi guys. पूरा cool girl act किया, and then I said hi Splits villains. It was a very nice feeling. But अभी ज़्यादा नहीं बताऊँगी. Watch the episode. And also guys, today if you feel कि मेरी energy थोड़ी कम है, that's because मेरी energy कम है. I'm a little sick, as you all have already seen. Sorry. And also, I've had these 1, 2, 3 pimples. God knows why, because perhaps I'm sick. तो उस चक्कर में I'm feeling very ugly today and very sluggish today. So I think वो मेरी शक्ल पे भी दिख रहा है. But anyways, that's it for the episode. Thank you so much. Bye.